624. Up, up, down, down, left, right. End to load, and we are gonna go pick our level design. Where the hell are you? There you are. Okay, load that. Okay, load it. And let's go to shader number 7 right here. And you see this says, this is not here. We're gonna fix that in the next video. What we fixed in this video is the tiles now auto-tile with each other. So let's look at the code changes. The source code is right here. We are on video 624. So let's review the 624 deltas. In file 196 within the easyhot to libinti function, we have made this change right here. We've added the latching bits. Latching bit X and latching bit Y have been shifted into their correct position within our binary tile payload for a geometry tile, and you can see the constants are right here. So this bit is 1, this bit is 1, shifted into the correct position. That's all we did. So here is what we did previously, and then here's some footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. Now, if you want a longer explanation of this code, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You are here on the Kanji Coder playlist. If you just want technical demos, you can go here to Weeb Coder. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IV MMO. It's a game engine written in completely scratch in JavaScript. It uses fractal geometry and proximity mines that blast vertically, horizontally, and four-way, and you can kind of chain all these bombs together to create really interesting puzzles. So like and subscribe.